Yeah. Young Stoner. Yeah. Young Stoner, a lot broke. It's like I got a letter from this chick and said I fucking hate you. Hope the road will break you. Wish the cops will come and take you. Cause every time I give your ass a chance, it ends in a bad romance. Fucking lie, remember when you said we go to friends while holding hands. Yo, homies call you big boy, but you just a little man wasting my time. I know that you won't understand, you wouldn't get the picture. Even if I sketch it, fuck you nigga, this the last message. Too late, so don't even try to say I'm sorry when you play me daily like a game of Atari. When you heard me lurking, always searching for ways to open my wounds like you were thirsty bottom, feeding on my pain, hoping the misery that considers me stupidity insane. I guess that's just the price I pay for listening to you at my doorstep, begging me to stay. So here I go, I bust the flow. What will help you? I don't know. Keep on rapping even though it's useless. I don't get no dough. This beat is sick, this beat is sad. Not that slick, makes me so mad. All these chances that I hate, useless stuff on my notepad. Right life, yes, so I guess nothing more, nothing less, nothing, no sign of distress. Guess that means signs of success. Life been bad, life been good, life been sad, but it's not hood. Always so misunderstood. Maybe I should leave for good. Make the choice, I'll stick around to the throat. So I write a note to her father explaining what happened. I got up to the 5th sentence without crying. It sounded like I was lying, almost like I was trying too hard. So I scrunched it up, threw it out through my life out with it. Does it look like I give a shit now? What you looking at, you coward? You want me to take you to France? You want me to take you to France? Should I thought of that before you prance all over his lap? Oh, you wanna clap? Get fucked, I'm going for a nap. So I write my girl this song, forgive me for the wrong I've done. But baby, you're the one I've been loving all along. And if it ain't you, it's the gun. Whoever steals you better run. Cause I mean all the shit I date, not saying it for fun. I love you a ton, can't wait to have a son or a daughter. Can't wait to be a father, for you to be my baby's mama. Never hesitate, so fuck a comma. I'm fucking done with this drama, so come on baby, cause without you sort of fit. Swear to God I'm feeling trauma. There's only one thing left to do, is to stay true to you. You're my one and only, always will be. It's was me and you against the world. You're always gonna be my number one girl. After you left, my heart sank out to my chest. I don't wanna fade away.